For any C++ program to run, you need C++ compiler. Now, in this presentation, I will tell you how to install C++ compiler on your computer. So, type in download mingw-w64 in Google. And when you search for it, the first search result is the sourceforge.net website. And when you click on this, you will have the link for the MinGW64 compiler for 32 and 64-bit Windows. Since I'm using Windows operating system, I'll just go to the download and download the compiler. It takes some time, so I will download it in the download folder over here. So when this file is downloaded, it is a zip file. If I go to the folder, it is a zip file, and I can unzip it in the current folder. So I will say extract here. Yeah, here it is. I can rename it to, and I can say MinGW64 and just copy it to the C drive. So here is my C drive, and I have copied it over here. This is the folder. So I have copied the compiler on my computer. Now the next thing you do is to set up the environment variables. And we can do this by writing environment variables in the start menu. So over here you get the environment variables, go to the path, click on edit, and I have wrongly written these things, so I will delete this. So the next thing is click on the new button and give it the path name. So :/mingw64. This will set the path to that particular directory. You can also set it another folder, that is mingw64 bin folder. So these are the two folders for which we need to set up the path. Now let us check whether our path has been successfully set up or not. So we will go to the command prompt. We will type cmd from the start menu. And from here we can check the compiler. So I will say g++ --version, and it means that we have successfully installed the compiler, and the current version is 7.3.0. Now let me write a small program and test it on this machine. So I will create a program. I'll write a program in the notepad. So I will write over here notepad, open it, and since I have written the program, I'll just open that program. Let me go to the MinGW folder. Here it is, MinGW64, and here is the small program test.cpp. Let me show it to you. So this is a small first program just to test my compiler. This is the test.cpp file. Now how I will compile it? I will go to the folder cd mingw64. Here I am, and then I will compile it. So I will say g++ test.cpp. It means to compile my test.c++ program. So when I run this code, there is no error. It means that my program has been successfully compiled. And if I go to the directory, you will see that there is a test.exe file created. Now this is the executable file created that I can run. So I can run by writing test.exe, or I can just type in test and enter, and it will give me the required output. So it means that I have successfully installed the C++ compiler on my computer. Uh, so in the next section, we will go to the different integrated development environments which can be used for developing C++ programs, and then we will choose one from them and start writing programs in that IDE. So stay connected. Thank you very much.